Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The global economy needs to find a more solid footing before most stock markets break out of their torpor, according to market strategists who have already cut their 2023 forecasts compared with 3 months ago. Fried, the embattled former CEO of cryptocurrency giant FTX and trading firm Alameda Research, said that he was ultimately responsible for the downfall of both companies, but denied that he knew that there was any improper use of customer funds. Japan stayed away from intervening in the currency market in November for the first time in 3 months, the finance ministry said, as speculation grows for the US Federal Reserve to slow the pace of rate hikes as inflation peaks.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT, the US average hourly earnings at 13:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.